delicious peppercorn steak served up with Bearnaise sauce. Hi there, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making peppercorn steak my way. This is a special request by one of my nephews back in India. He said, you're making all these Indian items, why don't you make something English? So today I've decided to do leg of lamb. That's where the steak's guts are from. It's not a leg of lamb, it's a steak from the leg of a lamb. And it's peppercorn with a bit of chili and garlic, my way, that's what I say. So let us get cooking. So you have your lamb steaks. These ones are quite thin. All you need to do is marinate them with a little bit of salt on either side and peppercorn. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take, I have chili garlic salt, which adds extra flavor. You can put chili powder and salt. Make sure you're seasoning it on both sides of the steak. So I've got fresh peppercorn, which I'm going to use, a couple of tablespoons. You can grind it in a pestle and mortar. I'm using my coffee grinder. So I'm going to blitz it up quickly. Have a look. That is coarsely ground. That's how I want it. With this freshly ground peppercorn, we're just going to sprinkle it quite liberally on either side of the steaks. This is what's going to give everything great flavor. And the next thing we do is just put it in the pan with a little bit of oil and butter. When the pan is really hot, that's when you put your steaks down. You want to hear that sizzle. And about a couple of minutes on either side should be sufficient to cook these steaks through. Now while that's happening, I'm just going to put my potatoes in the air fryer. You have potatoes, chop them up into chunky bits, and I put them in the air fryer, a bit of salt and pepper. It goes beautifully with that. About a minute, and you turn it, see the what you want. Just going to let it rest now. Take it out. While the other steaks are cooking, I'm just chopping up 3 cloves of garlic for my sauce. So you just need to roughly chop them. Quite small. Telling me I need to take those steaks off and put the next ones on. You seal the sides of the steak as well, so the edges are all done. And that's it, the steaks are done. Now we're going to make the sauce. Now to make the sauce, I'm going to put in a load of butter. Let that melt through without burning, and then we're going to chuck in the garlic. Let that start cooking while the butter is melting. I like a lot of butter in my sauce, so in this we're going to pour in a glass of wine, white wine. There are many of us in our house, so I'm going to let that reduce down. Keep stirring, and then put any drippings from the steak goes in there. And finally, going to put in the cream. And keep stirring it. And that's it. Your sauce is ready. Beautiful. I'm just going to put some chili garlic sauce for a bit of flavor. There you have it, ready to be served. Sauteed broccoli and potatoes from the air fryer are going to be served with these steaks. So I'm going to serve it up now. I wanted to show you my air fryer potatoes. They're healthy, they're beautiful. I think I put them in for about 12 minutes. Just a bit of salt and pepper, and I think about a tablespoon of oil. Just toss it and leave it in there at 200 degrees, and it comes out crispy like that. I'm going to serve that up with the steaks now. Delicious peppercorn steak served up with Bearnaise sauce. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you like this recipe, do try it, and then do remember to comment below, like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.